Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a super yummy crock pot recipe. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the small haul I did at Sam's, and we're going to do a little house cleaning. I initially stopped at Sam's just to get gas, but while I was there, I ran in and got some more toilet paper because we were completely out, and with 5 people, we go through a lot. I get tired of washing dishes daily, so I grabbed some paper plates. I have to buy ketchup in bulk because of Justin and Taylor. I needed some more freezer bags. I was out because I did pick up some meat while I was in Sam's, as well as some potatoes. But you can see I've got almost 5 pounds of hamburger. I grabbed some chicken, that way I can portion those out and put them in the freezer. I did grab some French bread for a recipe later on this week. Now we're going to get started cleaning. So the first thing on the list is to go ahead and knock these dishes out of the way. And side note, these adorable little dish soap and hand soap pumps came from Target's bullseye spot, I think is what they call it. It's where like the $1, $3, and $5 things are. I typically try to keep my dishes done up as I go, but sometimes I am human and I do go to bed and leave dishes in the sink for the next morning, which is what you see. So I'm just going to go ahead and get those done up, put them on the drying mat, let them dry, and then once they're done, I'm going to go ahead and put them away. I've tried to get in a better habit about that instead of just letting them stack up and just grab as I need. That's why you can see I don't have a dish drain like I did. Like, I still have it. It's under my kitchen cabinet, but I just took it away for my own peace of mind, my own, like, I don't know. I just took it away. That way it helps me to go ahead and put my dishes up and not leave them out. And just a little side note, I wash all my dishes by hand. I live in a little 1938 cute little house, but I don't have a dishwasher. That's the only downfall. Now it's time to tackle the laundry room, and with 5 people, we have a lot of laundry, especially when 3 of those 5 people are girls. And a lot of what you're seeing right now, it is not actually dirty, it's clean. It just needs to be folded and put away. While we're folding towels, let me go ahead and remind you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you get notified every time I upload a new video. All right, let's keep on folding. Like I told y'all, I live in a little 1938 house, and I love it. But the only downfall is we don't have a lot of storage space. So I have to be creative with how I fold things, how I put things away. So you can see I have my towels and everything here. It's not super Pinterest worthy, like organized, but it works for us. And y'all, I literally had to get on top of my dryer to be able to reach my cabinets to put this stuff away. Hashtag short girl problems. So we are done with the towels. I have folded and put away the other laundry. Now we're gonna head to the bathroom. So like I told y'all, we have 5 people in our house, and I live in an older home. And the downfall to that is we only have 1 bathroom. So I feel like this room in the house gets the most attention because nobody wants a dirty bathroom. And can y'all please tell me, leave it down in the comments, do your teenagers get toilet paper out and just don't put it on the little like holder? My kids are notorious for that, and it drives me absolutely insane. And y'all, I feel so sorry for the guys that live with us because, like I said, there's 3 girls, 2 guys, and between my daughter, my mom, and myself, we have a lot of hair products and hair tools, and we leave them out. We're bad about that. We do leave them out because it's just easier to get up in the morning, plug it in, like the straightener or whatever, and just go, like, do your hair. But we have to get better about that. But anyway, let's keep cleaning off this counter. Oh, and you guys, the cleaner that I use is the Zep cleaner. I use one for my kitchen. I use one for the bathroom. That is the absolute best cleaner I have found so far. I will say, open a window when you use the one for the bathroom because it is pretty strong. Made myself kind of dizzy. Now that the counter and the mirror are clean, I'm going to go ahead and start putting things back on. But these little bottles are, I actually found these on Amazon, and we use them for toothpaste and mouthwash. It is so convenient and handy with kids. Now, I forgot to record this part, or the beginning of this part, but I've already sprayed down my entire tub and the walls, and I've scrubbed them with a scrub brush. Now I'm just going through and rinsing everything off and wiping off any excess cleaner or excess water. And then I'm going to put all the shampoo and bath products back in the shower. We are done with the cleaning, so if you have hung in here with me this far, thanks so much. Now let's head to the kitchen. In your crock pot, go ahead and add in some chicken. You can either do fresh or frozen. You can do breast or thighs. I am just doing frozen breasts. In our chicken, we need a tablespoon of melted butter, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke, and about a tablespoon of vegetable oil, as well as some salt and pepper to taste. Now the recipe calls for a sliced onion. My family would not eat this if it was in there, so I just used some dried minced onion, and then I'm going to pour our little sauce mixture over, put the lid on, and we're going to set it on low for 5 hours or high for 3 hours. And while we're waiting, we're going to make the Alabama white barbecue sauce. In a bowl, we're going to mix together 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I didn't have white, I just used apple cider and it turned out fine. Some salt and pepper and a couple dashes of cayenne pepper. Mix this all really well, put it in a jar or container until we're ready to use, and set it in the fridge. Once the chicken's done, you want to shred it up. You can either do this with 2 forks, with a hand mixer. You can take it out and put the chicken in a stand mixer, or you can do like I did and just use the little meat chopper. And now it is time to eat. I'm just making some chicken sandwiches, and I'm gonna drizzle that Alabama white barbecue sauce all across the top. It is so good, I promise you. You guys have to try this. And then I wanted to serve it with some fries, like a true barbecue sandwich, but our store all around us was out of fries, so my kids voted on mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is a big hit in our house, so it went over well. We all enjoyed this meal. I hope you give it a try and you enjoy it, and thanks for spending the day with me. Bye, y'all.